Good morning to one and all present here. Happy to see your smiling face once again. So this is our fourth international precision oncology and IBCC national conference, and your presence and your smiling face indicate the success of our this conference. As all of us know, it's the third day and third session of this conference. Without your generosity and your participation, we would not be able to create this total environment. And we all have been learning and upgrading ourselves through this active participation to serve the patient in a better way. This is the main outcome of this our conference, and it's rightly said that a doctor must always be a student, and this should be always be a spirit of a good doctor. So keep participating, keep learning, and today we will continue this morning session regarding GI oncology. And for this purpose, we have our program director. Next slide, please. Dr. Program Director, Dr. Vineet Talwar. He's one of my closest friend and the Director Department of Medical Oncology, Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute. And really, he worked very hard to shape up this agenda and to select one of the best faculty in India, one of the best and experienced faculty in India. And really, sir, I am very grateful to you for doing this great and Hercules job. Next slide, please. So this in this today morning session, we have 30 national well experienced and learned national speakers along with the 800 attendees and attendees who will join us on this morning, and all will discuss regarding the GI oncology and what are the in and out ABCD and metastatic early stage and late stage, and what are the recent advances and how we can update ourselves and incorporate this experience in our day-to-day and clinical practice. Next slide. So we are very grateful to our more than 120 faculties, eight international faculties, and more than 1,200 delegates and participants who joined us and going to join even in evening session, which is on hematology session. And yesterday we had a lung session. The day before yesterday we had a breast cancer session, and more than 600 participants at a time were there in our two previous sessions. And really I'm very grateful and very much thankful to all our delegates and faculty to make this a grand success. So really the backbone of this is successful program and conference is our mice idea people, and they really worked very hard day and night and tired, in all odd hours, and they performed very well. I'm very grateful to Rajesh Sharma and the team and Pankti, Nirav, Nitesh. And really I'm thankful to them for making this a grand success event. Next slide, please. So all we know that no meeting, no conference can be held without any financial support and without a supporter. And these all companies supported us very well in a big way, and I'm very thankful to these all our supporters for doing giving us endless support and at any moment of our difficulties and during this process. Now, once again, I thank you all of you are sharing your insight as well as experience. So let's start today's session in a lovely morning.